Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the hotspot password on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone, then scroll down and tap on more connections. From here, just tap on hotspot and tethering. Now just tap on Wi-Fi hotspot. And from here, just tap on hotspot password. Now from here, you can change the password of your hotspot. Just like that. Now once you have changed the password of your hotspot, just tap on OK. Now as you can see, this is how you can change the hotspot password on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.